Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this brand new exciting Audi A1 S-Line Sportback S Tronic. It comes dressed in the gorgeous dew silver, sure to turn heads when on the road, all while standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seats, and as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery and the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, as well as a gear shift paddle. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features such as connection to your mobile phone device and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aids for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, whilst below you have the climate control system so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature, stay connected with the 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and 2 handy cup holders. This brand new Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.